Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the online classes for senior student 11th and 12th. Today, in physical education, I'll teach a new unit, test and management. So, first of all, what is test and management? As a matter of fact, it is a very significant for the individual to set objectives which want to fulfill in physical education and sports program. It is essentially आवश्यक होता है to determine whether or not the objective means उद्देश्य have been met. For example, if you want to improve your cardiorespiratory fitness को सुधारना चाहते हो तो you will have to practice it in a fitness program. After certain period, कुछ समय के बाद, if you do not measure and evaluate your cardiorespiratory fitness, you are remain in doubt. Ronaldo da Vinci has rightly said, if one are enamored of practice without scientific way, you are just like a pilot who goes into a ship without radar and compasses and does not know his destination. Now, today I will teach you the meaning of test, TEST and measurement. So first of all, the meaning of test. आप पहले आपको पढ़ाएंगे मीनिंग ऑफ टेस्ट. What is the meaning of test? Now, a test is the presentation of a situation or a series of situations which brings out a specific response or answer from the subject. The response or reaction is liable to be measured quantitative, or a test may be subjective or objective in the realms of an activity or an order of a question. Now, the other meanings of the test are: a test is a procedure to check the quality, performance or reliability of something. According to Webster डिक्शनरी के अनुसार a test is a tool. एक टेस्ट एक टूल होता है to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacity and aptitude of an individual or a group. Now, according to H.M. Brown and Maggie Kansas, test refer to any specific instruments, procedure or technique used by an administrator to elicit a response from the test taker. Now, today I will teach meaning of measurement. Measurement की क्या meaning होती है? Measurement, measurement is the use of test and techniques to collect information or data about a specific skill or fitness level of an individual. For example, there are various tests such as a Miller volleyball test, a Johnson basketball ability test, a Freer physical test, a fitness gram, etc. Measurement is a way of evaluation that records an individual responses in a specific unit or measurement such as speed in second, weight in pounds or kilograms, height in inches or meter, etc. The response may be measured in quality or quantity. The following definition can be help us to understand the meaning of measurement. Now, according to H.M. Brown, measurement refers to the process of administration, a test to obtain quantitative data. According to Barry L. Johnson and Jack Nelson, measurement adds evaluation process obtain quantitative data. Dear student, in this video I have told you test and measurement in sports. I have also tell meaning of test by some authors. You will write down in your copy by listening my speech and meaning of measurement. That's all this video.